Welcome to our third and final instalment of our Make Your Own Costa's Festive Drinks at Home but Even Better series. Yeah, we're aware this title does still need work. In our two previous videos, we pimped up Costa's After 8 Mint and Terry's Chocolate Orange hot chocolates, and we'll include the links below for these videos for your viewing pleasure. But for this one, we're tackling their Quality Street, the Purple One Latte from their festive menu. Except as we're chocolate lovers and we make one hell of a hot chocolate, we're given this latte a Chocky facelift and adding some, quite frankly, unnecessary but epic extras. For our spin on this drink, you will need 75 to 100 grams of milk chocolate, 400 ml of whole milk, some whipping cream, frangelico, hazelnut liqueur, caramel syrup, a bar of hazelnut chocolate, some mini marshmallows, and a couple of the Quality Street Purple One chocolates. And to make this, simply heat the milk gently and melt the milk chocolate in a pan over a low to medium heat until all the chocolate is melted and the milk is steaming. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with the Purple One, it is a chocolate found in Nestlé's Quality Street selection box, and it is widely known in the UK as the nation's favourite Quality Street chocky. I mean, apparently families have even fallen out over these little guys if there aren't enough in the tin to go around to satisfy Aunt Marge and Uncle Malcolm. But there you are. The chocky itself is a whole hazelnut surrounded by a gooey caramel and encased in milk chocolate and dressed in a pretty purple wrapper, hence the name. Now, for a family-friendly version of this drink, you can of course skip over this part, but here we add in a single shot or 25 ml of the Frangelico hazelnut liqueur and just give it a little stir through. And it really is as simple as that. Now, as an option, while still over the heat, you can add a slurry of corn flour, which will thicken the drink and give a decadent, thick, creamy texture. But on this occasion, we've kept it simple and classic. Once poured into your mug of choice, add a well-measured glug of caramel syrup, about 2 teaspoons, depending on your own personal desired level of sweetness. And now for the really good stuff. Add your cream on top. Now, we've used a caramel whipper here, but you can go out and buy some ready-to-go squirty cream from the shops, or buy some double cream and give it a hand whisk. We've also added another generous glug of caramel syrup to this cream, but if you have hazelnut syrup, you can add this in instead, or just use as is with no added extra syrup. Now, place on top of your cream as many mini marshmallows as you can possibly fit. Now, as you can see, just the more the merrier. Just keep piling them on. Don't be shy. Just get them on there. Make sure they're perfectly balanced and just looking good. Yep, these still going. Fab. Blimey, the level of precision here is quite astonishing. Just see how many you can fit in. I've lost count. I didn't start counting. Definitely lost count. Yeah, still going. Okay, I think he's done. Nope. Okay. Now he's done. Fabulous. Now, what is a steaming hot winter's drink without some danger of burning your house down? So if you have a baking torch, brown off your millions of mini marshmallows. Now, this might seem a little unnecessary, but I highly recommend it. Not only does it look good, but it gives them a gorgeous toasted taste. Now, unwrap one of your purple ones. That is, of course, assuming Great Uncle Tony hasn't swooped in and stolen the ball whilst you were distracted with your mini marshmallows, and just nestle it on top. Now, break off a sizable chunk of the hazelnut chocolate. We're using lids here for an extra level of luxury, and somewhat delicately place it in amongst your marshmallows. Save the purple one! And those special little guys. Okay, and there you have it, an epic, little bit boozy, hazelnutty, caramelly hot chocolate. Do give this one a go at home, and I promise you won't be disappointed. And thanks so much for joining us again. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one.